Here's how you get lead out of a dirty sewer pipe, aka the Pooh pipe. You get a big hammer and you bust it right at the seams because they use lead and solder to join these together. There you go. And some lead and some nasty stuff. But since this is still cast iron, the way to get it out the pipe is the same method. Some dirty cast iron. Not dirty cast iron, you know, sewer pipe dirty. And here's your lead. Nice chunk. Throw it in your buried pile. Like I said, this stuff's disgusting. There's usually Pooh fragments. Oh yeah.